Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel. In this video I'll show you how to pin text messages in Clipboard. In the beginning, let's go to settings and next, you can simply go to chat, type anything and copy it. Now enter Clipboard and mark the message you've copied. Tap the pin icon and here are your pinned messages. To unpin it, edit it and unpin. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.